Noah, what's the matter? Look at me. What's the matter? You're hurt. Your head hurts. Your back hurts.
Cheese.
Cheese?
Yes.
What do you need to make you not hurt?
Cheese.
Cheese? I thought you said you needed something else. What do you need?
Fish.
Please, some what? What is this? What is it?
That.
What is this? Back up. What is this?
Here.
It's some medicine.
My
Help your teeth and your head feel better?
yes.
Okay, here you go. You're welcome. I love you. Bye.